Synergy in diversity. In the vibrant village of Sundarpur, there lived a group of children who came from different backgrounds. Though they were friends, they often played separately according to their family traditions and customs. Rajan, the son of a farmer, played cricket with his friends in the open fields. Priya, who belonged to a family of weavers, loved to create beautiful patterns with thread and fabric. Sanjay, whose family made pottery, enjoyed playing with clay and building small houses with it. And Neela, whose father was a doctor, spent her time learning about the healing herbs and flowers in their garden. One day, a festival was approaching, and the village elder, Dadaji, had an idea. Let's create a special gift to present to the king. Something that shows the spirit of our village. But we must work together, combining all our talents. The children were excited but also unsure. But Dadaji, how can we work together when we are so different? Rajan asked. Dadaji smiled and said, it is in our differences that our strength lies. Each one of you has something unique to offer. When you combine your talents, you will create something beautiful. This is the power of synergy. The children were still confused but decided to give it a try. Rajan, who was great at organizing, suggested they build a large, beautiful table that could hold a gift for the king. Priya would weave a beautiful cloth to cover the table, Sanjay would create small clay sculptures of animals to decorate it, and Neela would grow some special herbs to make a fragrant centerpiece. The children worked together, learning from each other's skills. Rajan helped Priya measure the fabric for the tablecloth. Priya showed Sanjay how to add colorful thread to his clay sculptures, while Neela explained the different herbs she had planted for their decoration. Slowly, they combined all their ideas into one creation. On the day of the festival, the children proudly presented their work to the village. The table was covered with Priya's vibrant cloth, decorated with Sanjay's beautiful clay animals, and the centerpiece was a lovely arrangement of Neela's herbs, filling the air with a fresh, calming scent. The villagers gathered around in awe. They had never seen such a combination of talents. The king, who was visiting the village, was so impressed that he declared, "This creation is a symbol of the strength found in diversity. You have shown that when different people come together, they can achieve great things." The children beamed with pride. They had learned that their individual differences made them stronger when they worked together. Each of their skills had added something special to the final creation, and the result was more beautiful than they had imagined. Moral of the story. Synergy in diversity means that when people from different backgrounds, with different skills and talents, come together and work as a team, they can create something amazing.